One day, a farmer's old donkey fell into a dry well and cried for help. Deciding the animal was too frail to rescue, the farmer began filling the well with soil to bury it. As the dot ran down, the donkey shook it off and stepped up on each new layer. Soon it simply walked out of the well, free and smiling. When life tries to bury you, shake it off and rise on what was meant to hold you down. एक दिन एउटा किसानको बुढो गधा सुक्खा इनारमा खस्यो। किसानले गधा जोगाउन गाह्रो पर्छ भनेर इनार पुरिँदा ठिक हुन्छ ठान्यो। उसले माटो हाल्न थाल्यो। गधामाथि माटो छर्दा गधाले हल्लायो, माटो छार्यो र उक्लिँदै गयो। केही बेरमै गधा माटोको थुप्रो चढ्दै इनारबाट निस्कियो। जीवनले दबाउन खोजे पनि समस्या झारेर त्यसैलाई आधार बनाउँदै अघि बढ्न सकिन्छ।